Using PowerPoint for screen capture videos. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. This screen capture feature is convenient when you want to add a video clip to PowerPoint or any other video creation software. First thing is to open the media you want to record. Next, open a new PowerPoint presentation. Click Insert, then Screen Recording. Your screen will switch to what you want to record. In this example, I'm using a video. And you'll also see the recording tools at the top of the screen. Step 4 is to select the part of the screen that you want to record. Continue dragging the rectangle to capture the entire area to be recorded. Step 5 here is to click on the microphone to record audio as well. Step 6, hit the record button to start. A countdown will start from 3. Click the play button on the video you're recording as the countdown ends. When you're done, bring your cursor up to the top of the screen and the recording tools will appear. Hit the stop button to end recording and then stop the video player. Switch back to PowerPoint and your video recording is now on the slide. So now click Save in the upper left corner. Here's where you'll save your clip as an MP4 file. Click Export, then Create a Video, and finally Create Video. Name your file and click Save. It'll take a few minutes to several minutes for your video to render depending on how long your clip is. So now you know how to do screen capture video with PowerPoint. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.